States of matter. Highlights of the lesson. Student will try to understand what the particles arrangement is in solids, liquids, and gas. Understand the different amounts of energy that the particles have. Understand how energy is transferred by evaporation and condensation. Understand the factors that affects the rate of evaporation and condensation. We learn stats of matter. Things around us are matter. All the things around us are composed of matter. The amount of matter present in a thing makes up its mass. We measure the mass of a thing by its weight. For example, when we say that a book weighs 1 kilogram, it means the book has a mass of 1 kilogram. However small a thing may be, it will always have some weight on the earth. Similarly, all things take up some space. For example, a block of wood occupies the space covered by its size. The amount of space covered by a thing is called its volume. However small a thing may be, it will always occupy some space. Matter has mass and occupies space. So, we can say that matter is anything that has mass and occupies space. Matter is made up of very tiny particles called molecules. These molecules cannot be seen without the help of a very powerful microscope. A tiny grain of sand can contain millions of molecules. Neighboring molecules usually have some gap between them. This space is called intermolecular space. Molecules also attract nearby molecules with a force called intermolecular force of attraction. Molecules which lie close attract each other more strongly than molecules which lie far apart. States of matter. Matter exists in 3 different states in nature. It can exist as solid, liquid, or gas. To understand the states of matter, let us do the following activities. Activity 1. Take some water in a glass. At room temperature, water exists in its liquid form. Water does not have a shape of its own. It flows and takes the shape of its container. Pour the water in an ice tray and put it in the freezer. After an hour or so, you will see that the water has turned into ice. Keep a piece of ice in a plate. Ice has a definite shape and is hard to touch. It is the solid form of water. Activity 2. With the help of an adult, heat some water in an open pan. You will soon see water vapor rising from the surface of the water. Water vapor has no shape. It cannot be held in an open container. Water vapor is the gaseous form of water. Thus, we see that water can exist in all the 3 states of matter. A substance can exist in different states because of the differences in the arrangement of its molecules. Let us see how. Solids. The molecules in solids attract each other very strongly. So, they are tightly packed and remain almost fixed in their place. There is very little movement of the molecules. They only vibrate about their positions. This tight arrangement of molecules gives solids a definite shape and volume. For example, a chair has a definite shape and size. Solids are rigid and do not flow. We can hold solids in our hands. Arrangement of molecules in solids. Liquids. The molecules in liquids do not attract each other as strongly as the molecules in solids. So, they are loosely packed and the space between their molecules is more than that in solids. This allows some movement of the molecules. Therefore, the molecules of a liquid move around freely within the liquid. Arrangement of molecules in liquids. Activity 3. Take a glass of water. Slowly add 2 spoonfuls of milk into it. Do not stir. Leave the glass undisturbed for 30 minutes. What do you see? The whole water in the glass becomes milky white. This is because the molecules of milk fill the spaces between the molecules of water. Liquids flow because of the movement of their molecules. Liquids do not have a definite shape. We need a container to hold them. Liquids take the shape of the container. If we pour a cup of water into different containers, the water will take the shape of the containers. However, liquids have a fixed volume. A cup of water will have the same amount of water even when we change its container. Liquids take the shape of the container. Gases. The molecules in gases are much more apart from each other than that of solids or liquids. So, there is hardly any attraction between the molecules in a gas. The molecules of gases move around freely in any direction. They cannot be kept in an open container. They fill the entire space in a closed container. That is why gases have no fixed shape or volume. Properties of solids, liquids, and gases. Property. Solids, liquids, gases. Shape. Fixed. Take the shape of container. No fixed shape. Volume. Fixed. Fixed. No fixed volume. Space between molecules. Negligible space. Some space. Lots of space. Attraction between molecules. Very strong. Not so strong. Very weak. Movement of molecules. Only vibrate at their fixed positions. Move around within the liquids. Move freely in all directions. Activity. Light an incense stick in one corner of your room. After a few minutes, you can smell it in other corners of the room too. Why? The stick releases scented smoke on burning. The molecules of smoke soon fill the entire room. Change of states. You have already seen how water changes into water vapor on heating and to ice on cooling. Matter can change from one state to another when it is heated or cooled. The following are the different changes of state that can occur in matter. Melting. When a solid is heated, it melts to form a liquid. Have you tried putting butter on a hot toast? What happens to it? It melts. Similarly, if you leave ice cream outside the freezer for some time, it melts. The process by which a solid changes into a liquid on heating is called melting. When solids are heated, the molecules start vibrating faster. They are able to overcome the strong force of attraction between themselves. They start moving around. This is how solids change into liquids on heating.